Well, the blizzard also knocking out power to more than 100,000 people. Some local businesses had to close for days and in some cases even weeks. Senior reporter Eileen Buckley went to a grocery store that was forced to close and just reopened this week.
I'm beyond thrilled that ALDI's is back open to the community and especially to Broadway Fillmore.
This ALDI store in Buffalo's Broadway Fillmore district was shut down for a month. It was one of the local businesses ravaged in a break-in after the devastating Christmas blizzard.
They explained to us that there was about $400,000 worth of damage, either through lost product, employees' wages, windows, insurance claims.
But Fillmore District Common Council member Mitch Nowakowski stepped in with other local and state leaders to organize a meeting with ALDI's vice president.
Really, we had every elected official that represents this area from every tier of government come together. We made our case and it was open in 4 days. So for them, I'm internally grateful for getting it open so quickly.
That meeting was held last Friday, and by Monday, doors reopened to shoppers who desperately need one of the very few grocery stores nearby.
How important is this store to you?
I love it because it has a lot of different, it's diverse, but there's a lot of different stuff in there, and I love it.
How excited were you when it opened on Monday?
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. I'm going to take my daughter and my son, all my people. ALDI is back.
Lawmakers were able to convince ALDI's how important this store is to the neighborhood and East Buffalo community, where many shoppers walk to the store.
When you think about, when you look at Broadway from arguably from Smith Street to Bailey, this is the only grocery store. This is the only full-stop grocery store, and corner stores don't cut it.
I do that all the time myself. I just walked all the way from Bailey to come here.
Shoppers told me they really missed it, but noted the store is not fully stocked with a lot of empty shelves. ALDI sent me a statement saying, in part, "We're incredibly proud of our team for working together to quickly reopen our Broadway location." Councilmember Nowakowski tells me they're hoping ALDI's will be eligible for FEMA and other reimbursement funds for the damaged property.
A few other stores in Buffalo remain shuttered because of the damage left after the blizzard. That includes this Family Dollar store at the corner of Delavan and Grider. It's still closed. I reached out to Family Dollar with no success.
And another Family Dollar in the nearby Genesee Bailey neighborhood is also still closed. Eileen Buckley, 7 News, Buffalo.